Multiple choice questions. Chapter 32 Symptoms of Oral Cavity and Pharyngeal Diseases. Section 3 Oral Cavity and Pharynx. First one MCQs. A female patient came with a complaint of difficulty in swallowing, and the consultant suspected that she has some problem in the pharyngeal phase of swallowing. Which of the following condition is the most likely possibility? The answer is D. Pharyngeal web. Pharyngeal phase is the second phase of swallowing. Some other causes that result in pharyngeal dysphagia are Ludwig angina, immobility of the larynx, parapharyngeal tumors, pharyngeal web, or Plummer-Vince syndrome, paralysis of the constrictor muscles, palatal defects in the tonsils, and malignancies of the oropharynx. Some surgery was performed on a patient, and postoperatively he complained of loss of taste sensation on the anterior two-thirds of the tongue on one side. Which of the following surgery was most likely done on this patient? The answer is B. During mastectomy, their injury occurs to a branch of facial nerve called caudal tympani nerve that supplies to the anterior two-thirds of the tongue. Some other causes that result in taste disturbances are lesion of taste center, functional sarcogenic xerostomia, partial or total removal of the tongue, fungal infection, heavy coating over the tongue, hair surgery leading to damage of the facial nerve or caudal tympani. Here in this MCQs 3, a child came with a complaint of some change in the character of voice, and his attending physician told him that this is called rhinolalia aperta. Which of the following is a responsible cause for change in the voice or rhinolalia aperta? The answer is cleft palate. Here rhinolalia means is a condition where there is a change in the tonal character of the voice due to disturbance in the resonating region. There are two types of rhinolalia: rhinolalia aperta and rhinolalia classa. Rhinolalia aperta, also called nasal voice, resulting from incomplete closure of the nasopharyngeal sphincter, and there is a leakage of air through the nose. It occurs in cleft palate, short palate, limited palatal movement due to paralysis, limited palatal movement due to mechanical impedance. Rhinolalia classa, also called buccal voice, result from obstructive lesions in the nose and nasopharynx. Common causes of rhinolalia classa includes enlarged adenoids, common cold, nasal polypi, divided nasal septum, nasal or nasopharyngeal growth, and choanal atresia.